When your Minn Kota trolling motor remote isn't turning on or responding, battery and power issues are usually the culprit. Let's walk through the most effective troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Replace the batteries. This solves most remote issues immediately. Your remote uses either three AAA batteries or a single CR2450 coin cell battery. Step 2. Ensure proper battery insertion. The positive side must face outward. Look for the plus symbol on your batteries and match it to the compartment markings. Step 3. Inspect battery terminals for corrosion. White or green buildup prevents proper contact. Clean terminals with vinegar or lemon juice using a cotton swab. Step 4. Try a reset if the remote still won't turn on. Install the battery upside down for exactly 20 seconds, then reinstall it correctly. This clears any stored errors. Step 5. Verify your iPilot controller has power. On power drive models, check the battery meter display. On other models, look for a system-ready light that should be illuminated when the motor is on. If none of these steps resolve the issue, your remote may need replacement. Contact Minn Kota support with your remote and trolling motor serial numbers, especially if still under warranty.